Hello, this is Steve, Dichroic Glass Man. Well, after a long hiatus, yeah, you know, traveling the world, yeah, right. Wish that was the case. Trying to figure out how to make it in life after having surgery, bypass surgery. It ain't the same, Toto. It's an awkward, herky-jerky circumstance. So, trying to make the best of it, be more encouraging, because, my new website is up, dichroicglassman.com. Link will be in the description. So, check it out, and kind of moving along, and maybe get into more of the teaching platform where I really want to be, and exploring some of these new areas in borosilicate that I'm just absolutely blown away by. And one of them is cold working. Yeah, it's actually the kind of stuff that Jack Storms is doing, and his teacher, Tolan Sands, and some of the big guys, they're doing cold work. Well, this is a form of it, done on the poor man's version. In other words, you and I could do this. And this is really simple. This is a step program, but it's beautiful in its outcome, in the rainbows that it creates. So yeah, anyway, check out the website, and kind of going to talk about some new processes about utilizing this borosilicate glass. Like to push the glass into some platforms of pyramids, building some dichroic structures, and of course, in order to facilitate somebody wanting to buy the glass and making some pretty good structures with giving people some ideas, well, that's going to require me building some things. So that I'll be sharing with you, that kind of mentality, on my YouTube channel, and see if that might resonate with you. Right now, it's really some powerful vehicles with all the people doing dichroic in the world today. It's crazy, isn't it? On Instagram especially. By the way, follow me on Instagram. There's now hundreds of people doing dichroic things, when 20 years ago when I started, there was crickets. So this is quite exciting to see all the dichroic going on now in all kinds of different directions. So I'd like to reinforce that idea that do the best I can to stick around and be on YouTube and kind of dip in, dip out, and maybe just talk about what I'm doing in that day. I want to get into the borosilicate, and that requires a whole lot of different places, where this is a visionary glass. The borosilicate glass, like what I'm wearing right here, this is cold work, is this is cold working, and it's done on a flat wheel. That's what I have located right here. So if you might be wondering, this is gonna spray me. It's a lapidary wheel. So that's how this was done. This is called cold working. No torch work, no heat required, and it's just a lot of cut and polishing. So we'll kind of look at a lot of different things and show as much as I can on the old YouTube to get you all inspired and ideas, inspiration. And if there's anything along the way that intrigues you, or you got a business idea, whatnot, be sure to contact me. I've got some dichroic glass I'd like to sell, and let's put it through the channels and see what you and I could create together. Well, off to the videos.